let's start with smaller numbers. So let's add 3, 6, 7, 4. So normally how do we add? We add 3 and 6, we get 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, right? This is one way of adding these numbers, and the other way of adding these numbers is, let's say, add these two numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 plus 10 gives you 20. So tell me, which method is better? Definitely the second method is better. So here you can see that I have added 3 and 7, right? They are complements of each other. And here 6 and 4, they are complements of each other. Now all of you quickly memorize this. Here you can see that 1 and 9 add up to 10, right? So 1 and 9 are complements of each other. Similarly 2 and 8, then 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5 are complements of each other. Okay, so let's use this concept to do some addition problems. I have already done a video on complements. Those who have not seen that video, do watch it. You can find the link in the description box below. Now let's do few more problems using this concept. So let's add these four numbers. So here you have to see which numbers are complements of each other, right? So here you can see that I have 5 in the ones place, and here also I have 5 in the ones place, right? So I will pair up these two numbers first. So 65 plus 75 I will add first, and then the rest of the two numbers. So 48 plus 22 you will pair up separately. Now here 65 will take 5 from here, right? 65 will take 5 from here, so you will get 70 here, and you are left with 70, right? So 70 plus 70 gives you 140. Similarly here 48 will take 2 from here, right? So this becomes 50 and you are left with 20 here. So 50 plus 20 gives you 70. Now 140 plus 70 gives you 210. So you can see that how easily we have done this addition, right? Let's do one more problem. So here first figure out which two numbers you will pair up. So here you have 3 in the ones place, and here you have 7. So 3 and 7 are complements of each other, right? So we will add 43 and 27 together and the rest of the numbers together. Okay, now 43 will take 7 from here. So you get 50 here, and here you are left with 20. So 50 plus 20 is 70. And here, see, here 6 and 5 are not complements of each other, right? So what we will do is, 6 will take 4 from here, correct? 6 will take 4 from here. So this becomes 20 and you are left with 21. Okay, this becomes 20 and you are left with 21. So 20 plus 21 gives you 41. So 70 plus 41 will give you 111. So let's do few more problems. Now here check which two numbers you will pair up. So here we can see that 9 and 1, they are complements of each other, right? So we will pair up 29 and 11 together and the rest of the two numbers together. Now 29 will take 1 from here, so this becomes 30 and you are left with 10 here. So 30 plus 10 gives you 40. And here 37 will take 3 from here. So you will get 40 here. 40 plus 20 gives you 60. So 60 plus 40 is 100. Correct? Now here. So here you will pair up which two numbers together? So here 18 and 502. These two numbers we can pair up because 8 and 2 are complements of each other, right? And these two numbers we will pair up together. So 237 plus 107 and 18 plus 502. Okay, now here 7 and 7 are not complements of each other, right? So how we will add these two numbers? Now 237 needs 3 more to become 240, right? So 237 will take 3 from here. So this becomes 240, correct? And here you will be left with 104, right? Now 240 plus 104 gives you how much? 344. So you get 344 here. and here 18 will take 2 from here, so this becomes 20 and you are left with 500. So 20 plus 500 is 520. Now 344 plus 520 will give you how much? So 300 plus 500 is 800 and 44 plus 20 is 64. So 864 is your answer. So let's do one last problem. So first we will check which two numbers we will pair up. So here 3 and 7 are complements of each other. So we will pair up these two together, right? So 193 plus 147, and these two numbers we will pair up together. So 106 plus 204. Okay. Now here 193 will take 7 from here. Correct? So you will get how much? 200. And here you are left with 140. Right? And here 106 will take 4 from here. So you will get 110. And here you are left with 200. Correct? Now 200 plus 140 is 340. And here 200 plus 110 is 310. Now you add up these together, so you will get 650. So this is our answer. See, I am showing you each and every step, so it is taking little time, but when you do all these calculations in your mind, so this method is very fast. I hope you like this trick. So these are few practice questions. Practice them and master this trick. So that's it for today. See you very soon with few more interesting tricks. Until then, goodbye. Take care.